Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there! So, another video and it's a tutorial on how to make a YouTube custom thumbnail for your videos. So, malaking bagay na nag-stand out yung thumbnail mo kasi malaki yung percent ng click-through rate doon sa mga thumbnail. So, pag-uusapan natin to and we will make it for free account and all other techniques I will show you into this video. So, tutok ka lang! So, let's dive into our video! Alright, so I will gonna show you how to do your custom thumbnail using Canva. So, sa Canva kasi, it's all free. So, you can use the free account that you will create kung may naka-create ka na. Kasi, mas affordable siya. And then, here, sa Canva, meron na silang mga, yan. So, click ko na siya kanina. You can type the, like, YouTube thumbnail, like that. Ito. So, meron siyang mga template. So, itong template na to, naka-ano na yung kanilang mga sizes. So, 120/80 by 720. So, you can use those free template na meron kasi yung mga iba paid na sila. So, almost paid na yung iba kasi ngayon talagang madami na yung mga Canva user. So, if you want to make your own design, you can click the blank template. And then before that, so that you can have an inspiration, kung meron kayong mga YouTuber na gustong-gusto or meron kayong mga relevant YouTuber na siyempre successful na sila sa kanilang mga YouTube channel like this. So, this one is for 153,000 subscribers. So, yan yung mga YouTube channel. So, napansin ko, yung isa sa mga tip na isi-share ko sa inyo is this one. Look at this one. So, you need to have a at least 3 to 4 words. Yan. Tapos yung line niya, tignan mo yung word niya, yung mga text niya in the left side. Because the icon of the YouTube are always on the right side. So, para kahit sa mobile, nababasa siya, dapat sa left side lagi yung text or right side yung image mo. Or the icon or the yung pwede mong ilagay ng mga elements. So, let's start to create our YouTube thumbnail. So, you can upload your image and then you can drag it. Ayan mo. So, merong iba, half of the, pero into this tutorial, I will show you how to do it. So, again, the right side is my image and the left side is empty for the text that I can use. 3 to 4 words. At yung mga 3 to 4 words na gagamitin mo, at least it builds curiosity and interest to the viewers. Kasi yun yung sa mga click rate, true rate ng YouTube thumbnail. Yung dapat mag-build siya ng interest to the viewers. So, malaking to sa algorithm, yung mga thumbnail. So, it's important to have a good thumbnail. So, last, ako laging gumagawa, ginagawa ko ito using Canva, kaya I will teach you on how to do it. Pero, dahil may editor na ako ngayon, mas magaling siya sa design. So, sinabi ko lang yung mga simple and the fonts that I like and the background that I like. So, ngayon, mas maganda sila, mas presentable or mas clickable sila. So, it's proven na yung mga thumbnail is one of the part. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga percent ng mga click-through rate ko. So, I will use this image of mine and then you can add the text. Again, ulitin ko, dapat sa left side. There's a margin, nakikita mo naman. So, let's put in that align font. Dapat sila so, lakihan mo so that when they will open it in the, kita nyo yung purple niya. So, pwede siya hanggang dyan para yung fonts, I suggest, at least, sinabi ko kanina, yung mga word, at least 3 to 4 word kasi mahaba na. Para mabilis silang mahook. Pero yung fonts, kailangan ganyan yung mga simple at readable. Hindi itong mga to. So, yan. So, pag nasa cellphone or mobile sila, tsaka kahit sa mismo, diba? So, maganda yung mga ganitong mga fonts like that. Or this one, Aleron regular. So, it looks good. So, you can change it the color. Depende sa gusto mo. But on my YouTube channel, dati iba-iba pero I prepared for black, gray, or isa dun sa mga gusto kong yung brand color ko is the parang crush guard or crush yellow, parang ganito. Balik ko na lang sa black but I like to be simple. And you can add an element. This, I will put a square one para ma-design ko lang siya ng konti kasi yun yung mga alam ko lang na design. Pero mas, again, kung meron kang mga nakita dun sa mga sinabi ko kanina na may gusto kong YouTuber na, pwede mo naman silang gaya para may idea ka din kung ano yung pwede mong gawin sa YouTube channel. So, on the first, kasi ikaw munang gagawa nito, that's why you can make a video. Mabilis lang, at least 5 to 10 minutes you can change the color of this element. Let's make it weird. Pwede kang magulap na different color if you like. Pero yung mga dark look, dahil black yung ginamit natin ni Jhem, dapat light please. Para mabilis, kulay ng damit. Pero we can wait, so it's gray na lang para ma-match. So that's it. And I can add also an element, YouTube. So you can search that and then search it. This is all free. You can use this. So as long as na hindi cluttered and clear lang, you can use this. So this is simple pero catchy. Ilalagay ko ito awesome video title kasi mag-iisip ka ng awesome video title na makakahook ng kanila. Again, don't forget to put the fonts on the left side kapag nakaharap ka sa screen and your image on the right. Because the icon of the YouTube will be on here. Pero kung nandito yung text mo, medyo mahirap magbasa. So this is it. As simple as this. So you can use this, and if you want more design, again, pwede kang maghanap ng mga like this. Ang dami ng mga icon. Pwede naman yan, pero personal choice ko is to be clean and clear. So clean and clear lang. So kung may mga ilang icon yun. So if you want like this, it's up to you. So let's go back to our, and then you can download it on PNG kasi mas high resolution. So I'll make it on. Meron ako sa desktop and then I'll save it. Okay, so that we've done on our thumbnail on tutorial on how to make it using Canva, and it's all free. And if you are good in designing, you can design more. No? And another is if you want your image to be yung gusto mo yung medyo i-light mo siya, pwede siya adjust mo yung ano or whatever. And if you want some fancy fonts, you can choose all the free fonts here. And then the color, of course, that you want, effects, animation, or else. No, it's all free in Canva. So that's why yun yung recommended ko talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung umpisang ginamit. Okay, so I will show you how to upload naman on the YouTube channel. So go to your channel. This is my channel. And then you go to your channel. Saka sa channel mo. And then, in your channel, you can go to your videos. Kanyari, na-upload mo na yung video or ina-upload mo pala. So in this YouTube Creator Studio, no, so papakita niya lahat ng mga na-upload mo na video. So i-upload mo yon. And then, I have one here na hindi pa naka-schedule. So, naka-schedule to by another day. And then, okay, so here, yung mga details ng video mo, kasama yung thumbnail. So, the title, the descriptions, and hashtags, and screen cards, like that. So, here, you can change your. So let's change that. Change and then, yeah, punta mo siya sa desktop, then thumbnails, and then that's it. Yun, na-upload na yung ating YouTube thumbnail. And then, after that, don't forget to save it. That's simple. So that is our tutorial for how to make your YouTube thumbnail or your custom thumbnail using Canva and the strategies that I gave it to you, no? Again, before you do your work on Canva on your free account, you can have an idea dun sa mga magaganda na yung mga subscribers o yung mga may credibility na YouTuber. So, pwede kang kumanap sa kanilang mga idea. So, isa lang yung pinakita ko, pero marami mga YouTuber magaling. So, but on your own, you can do that. Again, and also I teach on how to upload it. So, it's very simple. So, that's it for our YouTube tutorial. So, how can you make your YouTube custom thumbnail? Okay, so I will show you what is the click-through rate, which is the thumbnail. No? So you can go to your YouTube channel, and then you go to your videos, and then here, and then the analytics. So dito mo siya makikita yung so reach here. Yan. So, select natin. Let's go back. Yan. The impression click-through rate is 3.1%. So, yan yung yung percent ng mga click-through rate. So, yan. Impression nila dun sa aking mga YouTube thumbnail. So, makikita mo na malaking bagay talaga yung thumbnail sa mga video. So, yan. Baka makalimutan ko na sabi ko pala sa video na papakita ko sa inyo. So, malaking bagay talaga yung YouTube channel. So, I hope, again, nakatulong ito sa inyo. Okay, so that's it for our video. How to add a custom thumbnail and how to make it using Canva and how to upload it to your YouTube channel. So, I hope na nakatulong sa'yo. And if you like this video, and I will ask you to subscribe and like our channel, my channel, so that every time na meron pa akong ibang tutorial, ma-notify ka. And if you want some tutorial on things that you don't know, you can comment below so that I can know at makagawa din ako ng ibang mga tutorial so that I can help you a lot. So, see you, and I hope so you enjoy it, and see you in another video. Bye! God bless!